Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Taken Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to email YouTube support. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for this support.google.com and we get into this interface. Now in under Help Center, at first we need to write our problem here and we need to enter all the details like resources, and under contact options we can see this email. Now we need to enter our name and channel URL and enter all of the informations, and we can add the file describing our issue as well. And finally, once you are done with all of the details, simply click on submit, which will be mailed to YouTube support. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.